The battle over government spending has reached unprecedented heights, stretching 250 miles into the sky. The International Space Station, ISS, for over 2 decades, has been the crown jewel of human space exploration at NASA. Yet, today, this iconic orbiting laboratory is at the center of a heated debate between government officials and lawmakers regarding its funding. As NASA looks towards the future, it's preparing to phase out some of its ISS operations in anticipation of a 2030 decommissioning, when private space stations are expected to take over. But here's where it gets controversial. While the ISS has been a marvel of international cooperation and a testament to human ingenuity, the looming question of how to replace it has ignited fierce debates. Some argue that private space stations will usher in a new era of space exploration, while others worry about the potential for profit-driven motives to overshadow scientific discovery. And this is the part most people miss. The transition from a government-funded ISS to privately run space stations raises complex questions about accessibility, equity, and the future of space exploration. Will private entities prioritize profit over the advancement of human knowledge? How will international cooperation evolve in this new landscape? As NASA and Congress continue their tug-of-war, it's crucial for us as global citizens to consider the implications of this monumental shift. What do you think? Will private space stations truly revolutionize space exploration, or will they create a new set of challenges? Share your thoughts in the comments below.